I quickly want to jump and cover tables, and I want to say quickly because it's not used as much as you might think anymore. In the early days, people would use tables to kind of organize and structure all the elements on the page. So it was used a lot for structuring and to move things in certain positions. But these days, you're going to use tables probably if you really need a table. So if you want to show like some kind of statistic or something, or you want to display some information in a table form, then you can use that. But generally, you're not going to find yourself doing this a lot. But let me show you nonetheless. So to create a table, what you can do is say table and hit tab. And inside this table, it basically takes two different elements. It takes a TR, which means table row. All right, so the horizontal ones that are gonna go this way. So inside this table row, we can add a TH like this. And let's write something in here. So let's say first name or something. Okay, that's one. Let's duplicate these two more times. Let's write last name. And let's write age in here. Okay, there we go. And outside of this table row, what I want to do is add another table row. And then here I'm going to say TD like this. And this is going to be Ed. This is going to be you. And finally, shout out to my mom. She made the course. Yay. And hit save. So as you can see, this is basically the title, the header, the table header in here. And these are the individual values that you can provide down here. So if you want to have more of these, I'm just going to copy this table row multiple times like this, and boom, there we go. We have more. So again, this acts kind of like the title, and this is the list that you have down here with the names and with the last names and with the age. Well, age is mom, that's kind of weird. So we can change that to, how old is she? Oh, mom, I don't know, 23, 53, 23? Oh, goodness. I am 25, I believe, and you are 23, 21? Am I guessing correctly? No? Okay, so this is tables, very, very simple. If you want to have another column, you just add another one in here, like this, and you have another column. And if you want to have another value, you can add it like that. And then we can modify this to date of birth or something. And there we go. It's very simple. I wouldn't worry too much about it. It's nothing too complicated. If you ever need it though, it's not that difficult to create. And later on, we can also style this in CSS if we really want to. But that again is just, it's going to be a very, very simple process. So those are tables in a nutshell.